Plant FAQs, Hoya Incrassata. The allure of Hoya Incrassata, a fragrant friend for plant enthusiasts. For any lover of unique and beautiful houseplants, the Hoya Incrassata is a must-have. This captivating succulent, hailing from the Philippines, boasts not only stunning foliage but also clusters of fragrant, star-shaped flowers. Over the past few years, my Hoya Incrassata has become a cherished member of my indoor jungle, and I'm here to share the secrets to keeping this tropical wonder thriving. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya Incrassata? The Hoya Incrassata, formerly known as Hoya crassicalis, is a captivating vine with plump, fleshy leaves that can reach up to 8 inches in length. These emerald green leaves boast a glossy sheen, adding a touch of elegance to any indoor space. But the true magic unfolds when the Hoya Incrassata blooms. It produces clusters of small, star-shaped flowers, typically in shades of cream with maroon tips and a white center. These blooms, though small in size, pack a powerful punch with their intoxicating lemony fragrance, especially during the evening hours. Hoya Incrassata Eclipse versus Moonshadow. I find the Hoya Incrassata Eclipse to be a standout in my collection, with its vibrant yellow flowers adding a splash of sunshine to my mornings, whereas the Moonshadow's subtle variegation always seems to catch my eye with its understated elegance. How to care for Hoya Incrassata. The good news for plant enthusiasts of all levels is that the Hoya Incrassata is a relatively low-maintenance houseplant. Here's a roadmap to ensure your Hoya thrives. Light. Hoya Incrassata prefers bright, indirect sunlight. While it can tolerate some direct morning sun, avoid harsh afternoon rays that can scorch the leaves. A well-lit east-facing window is an ideal location. Watering. This succulent prefers to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a common enemy, so err on the side of underwatering. Stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. During the winter months, you can reduce watering even further. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial for Hoya Incrassata. A mixture of cactus mix and perlite is a great option. Humidity. While Hoya Incrassata can tolerate average household humidity, it thrives in a more humid environment. Grouping your Hoya with other plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity around the plant. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, a monthly dose of a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength is beneficial. Hold off on fertilizing during the winter months. Propagation. Sharing the Hoya love. The beauty of Hoya Incrassata is that it's easy to propagate, allowing you to share the joy with fellow plant lovers or expand your own collection. Here's a simple method. Take stem cuttings with at least 2 nodes, the bumps where leaves emerge. Remove the lower leaves and allow the cuttings to callus over for a day or 2. Plant the cuttings in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Water lightly and keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Place the pot in a warm location with bright, indirect sunlight. With patience, your cuttings should root within a few weeks. Beyond the basics, additional tips for Hoya Incrassata success. Blooming. While Hoya Incrassata can bloom year-round, it typically flowers more prolifically in the spring and summer months. Providing adequate light, proper watering, and occasional fertilization can encourage blooming. Support. As the Hoya Incrassata grows, it may benefit from some support. A trellis, moss pole, or hanging basket can help the vine climb and showcase its cascading beauty. Pests and diseases. Hoya Incrassata is generally pest and disease resistant. However, keep an eye out for mealybugs or scale, which can be treated with insecticidal soap or neem oil. The Hoya Incrassata is a true gem for any plant enthusiast. With its captivating foliage, fragrant blooms, and easygoing nature, it's sure to become a cherished member of your indoor plant collection. So, why not give this tropical wonder a try and experience the magic of Hoya Incrassata for yourself?